Enabling two-factor authentication on your Vodafone account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the iSrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or security settings section. Look for an option labeled security or two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving a code via SMS or using an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or generated by the app. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Vodafone account. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and updated.